Hey technology consumer family, today we're diving into something special for all the coffee lovers out there. If you're looking to brew cafe quality espresso at home, having the right machine is key. We've got 4 incredible espresso machines to check out, and you're going to love the details. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Breville Barista Express Impress. This machine makes espresso making both professional and super easy. One of its standout features is the smart dosing system. It automatically measures out the perfect amount of fresh coffee every time for the best shot. Plus, with assisted tamping, you can replicate the 10 kilograms of pressure that pro baristas use, ensuring a polished and consistent result. It also comes with 25 grind settings, allowing you to fine-tune your grind size for the perfect flavor. And with the thermocoil heating system and PID control, your espresso will always be at the perfect temperature. Rancilio Silvia Espresso Machine. The Rancilio Silvia is a fan favorite for those looking for professional-level espresso at home. Its ergonomic portafilter handle and commercial-grade group head ensure excellent heat stability and extraction quality. If you love milk-based drinks, the fully articulating steam wand makes frothing milk a breeze. And with its classic linear design, this machine will look great in just about any kitchen. Diletta Mio Espresso Machine. This model combines minimalist design with commercial performance. It features an ergonomic portafilter handle, making it super easy to use, while the commercial-grade group head ensures consistent, high-quality espresso shots every time. The professional steam wand gives you full control over frothing, with precise steam pressure control. Plus, its sleek design fits nicely into any decor. Quick Mill Anita Evo. Love both espresso and milk-based drinks? The Quick Mill Anita Evo is the machine for you. The PID insulated brew boiler ensures stable temperature for perfect shots while heating up fast. It also has a second steam circuit, so you can make cappuccinos or lattes whenever you want. With its pressure gauge and adjustable OPV, you can fine-tune your espresso settings for the perfect extraction, making this machine ideal for those who want a more personalized coffee experience. So, if you're looking to bring cafe-quality espresso into your home, these machines are definitely worth checking out. No matter how you like your coffee, one of these models is bound to elevate your brew. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video, and enjoy your coffee.